YouTubers, and welcome to another episode. We've made it to episode 9 of season 7. As you can tell, the Lamborghini name yet to be determined is on the trailer, so that means in this episode we have some racing to do. This weekend we're heading to the Inverness Head regatta up in Inverness in the north of Scotland to do some racing, and not just the Lamborghini name yet to be determined in the single. We've got some other boats to race in too. So this regatta is going to be a two-parter in episodes, so episode 9 and 10. We've got day 1 of the regatta and day 2 of the regatta. We've got one race in episode 1, which will be an interesting one, and then we've got 2 races in episode 2. So make sure you are subscribed for the release of the second episode. So now it's time to head up to Inverness. For me, it's about a 3-hour drive in the ambulance. Absolutely fantastic. So let's get to it, and I'll see you up in Inverness. Oh yeah! Just step to the left a bit so we can get... And we have made it to Inverness for the Inverness Head regatta. All the boats for the first division are heading off. We're just watching them go, and then it's our turn to race in the 4. Not ours as in Yam and I, but ours as in Hugo, Matthew, Dale and I. So enjoying the view as everyone boats and gets ready to do their race, and then time to warm up and go for our race. Oh, yeah. So that's one of the things about rowing here at Inverness. We've got a little bridge to get through, so we get to look forward to that when we get in the boat, go through. You have to lean back to get through the bridge and not hit your head. So for a lot of us, it's the first time I've done that, as I watch my head. So I'm excited to get on the water and see what it's like, and hopefully I'll be able to show you too. And that's the last crew through for Division 1 for Edinburgh University. Yam and I just going to chill out and relax. Starting to rain, absolutely fantastic Scottish weather to race in. So we're going to try and stay dry before our race. Oh, yeah. And that is the boats coming back in from the first division. Now it's time for me and the lads to get on the water and get into a 4. For the first time, I'll have raced a 4 in pretty much as much time as I have been in a sweet boat, which will be just almost 2 years now. The last time I was in a sweet boat would have been with Mr. Hope in the pair at December Trials in 2019, 18? A while ago now. But now we're here in the now, and it's time to go and get the boat now and get on the water now. Oh yeah! That's what I'll do. Here we go. Hugo! Yeah. Matthew! Dale! Hello. Me! Rainbow! Lovely. And it's time to boat now. We've got our boat here, the lads over there, and the Rainbow to go on, and the water to get on. So let's get to it. Come on, Matthew. Head's ready. Go. Yes, you go. Let's have a good run, guys. Thanks, Lewis. Thanks, Lewis. Have fun. Oh yeah! Yeah, we made it. Woo! Go! Go! Building, go!
Good legs. Yeah. Go on, Matthew.
I'm down. Did you read it? No. Yes. Oh, it's cold. Yes.
Right, nope. Come over here because it's need to get in the, you'll be like, like there. No, not behind me. Just like there. Yeah. Right. And we've made it off the water. It's suddenly dark already here in Inverness. We've finished our race and we've got the results really quick to actually get the results. Matthew, how did we do?
We did well. We won.
Absolutely fantastic.
Fantastic.
For me, like the previous video, so we were in the pair. We moved up to the 4, a bigger boat, a little bit easier to row.
Yeah.
For me, I've swept a little bit more, and that's 1 oar. For you, is that your first race in a 4?
First race in a 4. It was good fun. It was quite hard to get used to. I felt like I had no idea what I was doing, but ended up winning. So
we did quite well, yeah. It was I think that was a really enjoyable race. I think
it was good. Yeah. It was good fun.
And now it's going to be really interesting for tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
So tomorrow we've got a couple of other races, but that's for the next episode. Yab Squad, remember to stay subscribed or get subscribed for when that does release. But that'll be episode 2 of Inverness Head. Oh yeah! And as always, remember,
hit the like button and notification button, and just hit everything. Instagram at Buchan.
And I will see you in the next episode when we get to race the single, the Lamborghini MP determined, and in the quad, and Matthew will be in that too.
Oh yeah.